If you are going to utilize the onboard television antenna on the roof, you must have access to your antenna control panel. Make sure that this push button is in and the green light is on. That will activate the antenna on the roof and the amplifier. If utilizing shore power antenna connection from park, you hook up that antenna connection on the exterior side of the vehicle and make sure that this button is off. That will switch from antenna to shore power cable. When hooking up park cable to the shore cable inlet, locate the side compartment and hook up your cable at this location. Make sure that the switch on the TV amplifier is off.